If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To view both customer and vendor terms in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then click the All Lists link under the Lists heading in the menu that appears to open the Lists page. Then click the Terms link in the Lists page to open the Terms List page. This page shows all the terms used for your customers and vendors. To create new terms, click the New button in the upper right corner of the Terms page to open a new term window. Type a name for the terms into the Name field. Then select either the Due in Fixed Number of Days or the Due by Certain Day of the Month option button. Then, based on your selected option button, enter either the number of days, the day of the month, and/or the number of days of due date as needed into the fields for your selected option. To save the terms, then click the Save button. To run a Terms Quick Report on terms in the Terms list, click the Run Report link under the Action column in the desired terms row. To edit existing terms, click the drop-down under the Action column for the Terms row and select the Edit link to open the Edit Term window. Then change any term settings and click the Save button to save the changes. To inactivate terms, click the drop-down under the Action column for the Terms row and then click the Make Inactive link. However, before you inactivate terms, note that you cannot reverse your decision. Inactivating terms is technically like permanently deleting the terms, even though you can still see it as an inactive item in this list if desired. If you wish to continue and deactivate the terms, then click Yes in the confirmation window that appears to confirm your choice. If you inactivate terms, any form in which you used it shows Name Deleted, where name is the name of the inactivated terms. For example, if you deleted terms named Net20, the form reads Net20 parentheses deleted. If you want to reactivate deleted terms, you must instead recreate the terms. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.